What's up, guys? So you're online, you're getting ready to build your next hydraulic dovetail Fmax, and you're wondering, through all of these options, what makes the most sense for you? Well, I've got it for you. Pacesetter Edition. Pacesetter Edition wraps up 7 different features into one edition, making it super simple for you. We put this together based on feedback from consumers and users just like yourself, saying what options mean the most for their work. So we're going to walk through those. Number 1, the solar panel up top, keeping that battery for your hydraulic dove and hydraulic jacks, keeping it hot. Next is the LED work lights. These are great for in the morning before you get going. It's still dark outside for you hustlers, and then the hustlers at night after the day is over, you can light up your deck and the side. Next is hydraulic jacks. If you've never used hydraulic jacks to unhook and hook up to a trailer, dude, it is a game changer. Makes it so much easier, especially if you're doing it multiple times a day. Moving on back, we've got the added clearance lights on the side of the trailer. That's awesome because at night it lights you up. You can kind of see back on the side of your trailer as you're driving down the interstate or the road, and it lets others be able to see you better as well for a safety standpoint. Next, under the trailer, we've got the Hutch adjustable suspension. It's a heavy duty adjustable suspension for those toughest loads. Also, we've got the electric over hydraulic disc brakes as standard equipment. What's cool about that is much better stopping power up front and reduced maintenance costs going forward. Last, we're going to talk about the 42-inch underslung storage box. It's on the other side. It gives you another option to put things inside of and maybe lock it out of the way. Jump on the website. There you can see more about the Pacesetter Edition, all of the colors offerings, different lengths, different weight combinations, and build an Fmax to fit the work you need to do.